Bet you $10. That's gonna be a problem. Hey guys, what's up? Yabba-dabba-dee, yabba-dabba-doo, yum-dum-dum-dum-bum-bum-boo. Welcome to UcanTuesdays. This week I got a lot of requests to do this one how-to thing on making cough drops. By which I mean my family is sick and they all have sore throats. And I'm gonna do it. So, without further ado, snap cut to... Alright, here we have things that I'm going to need. Like that movie magic there. The one thing I don't understand about this recipe is how, if you're sick, you're supposed to eat that much sugar. Bacteria in your body are gonna be thanking you. Get in there, Bonnie. Get in there. Arr. I'm a pirate. Using a lemon as a tool. That's what separates us from the animals. Walk with the animals, talk with the animals, sing. No, that's a song about being with the animals. Try to be versatile in what you're doing. I mean, this is a knife, but it's also a spoon. It's whatever you make of it. That's what life's about. Doing what you can with what you have. And today, I have a knife. And I don't want to walk over there and get a spoon. I took it from being a deep thing, and I made it into a laziness thing. Stick with the deepness, though. This recipe doesn't call for actual ginger, but I have some actual ginger. Guess where this is going? Come back. This isn't my first introduction to being Anyway, this isn't my first introduction to performing or something like that. I was in a play many, many years ago. It was a production of The King and I. And I played a mountain. That was pretty much the star, as you can tell. Ginger fest going on in here. I'll bet you $10 I can eat this ginger straight. And you just won yourself $10. Thought it would be like ginger snaps, but it wasn't. Make good decisions. They may affect the rest of your life in ways you could not have planned. So for some reason it's smoking. That doesn't seem like it's a good sign. When I was roughly 14, I was supposed to clean my room. And at that point, my younger brother and I shared the same room. Supposed to be cleaning, throwing toys at each other. I guess we must have been more like 10 or 12 then. 14's getting a little bit old for that. So while we were doing that, I ducked an incoming fighter jet, which isn't something you really get to say all that often, but I do. There I am, 12-year-old Daylon. Plane comes at me like that. Share is right here. I go, okay, I'm alright. And that lasts for about half a second. Huh. I thought I didn't have any more baby teeth to lose. And that one's missing. So when your parents tell you to clean your room, that's probably what you ought to be doing. Don't practice war games instead. Or do, it's your life. I should have been stirring this regularly, apparently. And I'm not sure how long for. I'm gonna say that I think this has been long enough. If it hasn't, screw it. Oh no, they're congealing. They are congealing and becoming one. This isn't exactly... Not plural, singular. Very singular. There's a little bit of candied ginger in here. Let's see if it's become something edible. My automatic response is, no, this is not edible. $20 in your pocket. I'm trying to get it to do sort of a Pangea thing. What was I supposed to be making again? It's my killing time dance. Kinda looks like I don't know what it looks like. It looks like nothing I've ever seen before. And all it needs now is a little time. Now let's close. Its viscosity is a problem because it has viscosity. That is some good honey though. You could put it on chicken and have an oriental taste. Alright, until next week. Bye ladies and gentlemen. Short but sweet. Just like a chihuahua. So send me whatever how-to videos. Very good.